what happened on 3rd June, 4th, and to where we are now. When 3rd June the markets reacted to the exit polls, cheered up 3.5% on the index. 4th June, sorry for the bad recap, but it's almost like a motion picture in my head. And then 4th June you had that 7% tank, and now we're at an all-time high. So you know your quote from Lenin, there are decades when nothing happens and there are weeks when decades happen. How does it feel?
So as Utpal also said rightly, that this first time the power of retail which we are seeing in India is something we've been waiting for literally 30 years. And just to put in context, as Ashish was also saying earlier, if we are a $4 trillion economy and we save about 25%, our saving rate is $1 trillion a year. And even with the amount the retail is holding today, it's whatever 7-8% of the 5 trillion, it's a $400 billion number, which is less than 1 year of their saving. So it's a 10% allocation at best to equities, which has still come. And for a country which has an average age of 27, 28, you would expect the allocation over time of saving will become 70%. That's the journey countries like US and UK and all, when they were growing, went through. We'll see this happening. Having said that, I just want to put a note of caution there that you pay a very high price for a cheery consensus. And right now, from the RBI governor to the government, to the investors, to the retail, everyone sees only clear blue skies. And as he said, 49 months without a correction feels great. But to be an investor, you don't get fixed income returns every month in the stock market, which people seem to be getting used to. So at some level, you wish people know what is the difference between risk and reward, because right now we are only seeing rewards. So not wanting to puncture the happiness index right now, but let's keep that also back of our mind.